Hi, my name's Kat. I'm a Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and welcome to our video on counselling notes. Today I'm going to be talking you through some of the basics surrounding what a counselling note is and how you can use our template within your counselling practice. Counselling session notes are private notes that counsellors write after they have an appointment or an encounter with a patient. As opposed to progress notes, which are public and made to be shared with other third parties, counselling session notes are private notes meant only for the counsellor. Their primary purpose is to remind the counsellor of various aspects of the encounter with the patient, including hypotheses, observations, questions, and other general thoughts. To help make the process of writing effective and accurate counselling notes easier, we've created a template that can be implemented within your practice by following these 3 steps. Step 1, you need to save the PDF template. You can save the template onto your computer, where you can either edit it directly online or print it out if you prefer to write on a hard copy. Step 2, you need to complete the note. After you've had a session or an interaction with a patient, it's time to fill out the relevant sections. Finally, step 3 is to save the note securely. These documents contain confidential patient information, and so they need to be stored in a way that protects the patient's privacy. You can also access the counselling note template from within the Carepatron platform. If you click on the template tab that's on the left side of the screen, you'll be taken to the resource library. From here, you can filter by notes and then by community templates in order to see the full collection of available resources. To make your search easier, you can type in keywords, like we do here with counselling. When you've found the right template, simply click on the Choose Template icon and then assign a patient to the note. Now you're in the Draft tab for the counselling note, and you simply have to add in the relevant information before you save the document securely.